On Friday, March 31st, 2023, severe storms broke out across the Midwest, anywhere from the Louisiana and Arkansas border to Illinois and even beyond that. We live in Iowa, and we had a tornado that came through just about a mile or so east of our home here. We weren't at home at the time. We were at a convention. We got home after the storm passed. We found our beehives all turned over from, I guess, strong winds. And so this is a little recording of what we had to do to get them back in shape. We've never had a wind strong enough to blow our hives over before. And we like to put our hives on these stands because it's easier for us to inspect the hives and go through them without having to bend over. We did not have enough stands last year, so we had to put some of our hives down on the ground, just sitting on 4x4s. And to show that you can always learn, you'll see that the hives sitting on the ground did not get blown over. You may have noticed some straps around some of the hives. We started doing that to keep all the boxes tight together so that the deer would not come up and knock them off and separate all the boxes from the hive. And it's a good thing we had them on because several of these hives they just tipped over, still strapped together, which was a big help. I've already removed this strap, and there was a few others that did not have straps on because we had earlier had gone through them. We really did not lose any bees in this high wind. They stayed right in the hive, even if it was on its upside down or on its side. Now there was a lot of damage east of us, a lot of severe damage from the tornado. So if we had gotten hit by the tornado, that would have been a different story. And actually, how the condition of our bees would have been probably the least of our worries. So we're grateful we did not get hit directly. When I set the bottom board back on the stand, I had forgotten which side the bottom board, the entrance, was on. So I put it facing east. But you'll see the bees there swarming around on the left side of your screen. They were telling me that the entrance is on the wrong end. So after this recording, I turned the hive back around and they were much happier. After I get this hive back together, we'll just work our way on down the line, picking up our mess and straightening the hives up. We have another yard about 5 miles further away from where the tornadoes path was. And it's well protected with a lot of good windbreak trees. I don't expect any problem out there, but we'll have to check it out. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a happy bee season. Most importantly, stay safe out there.